What's up, money makers? On this channel, we talk about all things money. And by the way, my name is Diamond Chanel for those of you who are new. So I'm not even going to make a long intro for this video. We're literally just going to jump directly into the information. All I need you to do before we get started is to like this video, and then we could talk about the 7 money-making websites. Now, these are going to be very diverse and for people of all different skill levels. So let's get into it. Our first website is going to be doable for everyone pretty much all around the world, and we'll get into that in a second. And this is a transcription jobs from home. This site is called Happy Scribe. So if you don't know what transcription jobs pretty much entail, it means that you'll be listening to audio and turning it into written form. That's the simple version. And this website is open for people in the United States, in the United Kingdom, Spain, France, Germany, Canada, Kenya, the Philippines, and many more. Now, I don't know specifically what many more actually means, but it is open to a wide range of different countries. Now, on average, it says that the top monthly earners can earn about 3,000 euros. And I'm going to transform that into US dollars for you all. But it also is saying an average of 90 cents per minute. So if you're doing an audio that is 30 minutes, that's going to look like around 27 euros. So 90 cents in euros is 93 cents in US dollars. And 50 euros is 465 US dollars. And then 3,000 euros is going to be around 3,100 US dollars. So that's how much you can look forward to if you are utilizing this site full time. So let's go in through how does it actually work. So the first step that you need to do is submit a application. You're going to have to take a test, and then that test is going to require you to actually transcribe something. So you're going to have to listen to an audio, transcribe it, and then after that, you're going to wait for your application approval. If your application is approved, you can look forward to getting paid bi-weekly, which means every other week. And just to reiterate, once you sign up through the website, which you can find in my description below, you will have to do a skill check. So they're going to send you a sample file for you to transcribe to see your written skills and to see how you are fluently in whatever language you choose. And basically just to see if you'll get approved. But it seems like a pretty simple test to take because all you need to do is listen to an audio and then write it down. That's pretty much all that transcribing is. And like they said, if you're a good fit, they'll reach out to you by email. Now, here's some things that you might end up doing. So you might be doing subtitle translation jobs like English to Spanish, English to French, and other languages. So being bilingual will be a huge super plus for you. However, if transcription jobs aren't your thing, that's okay because we still got plenty more websites to go. Website number 2 is going to be for my people who love to read. This website is called ACX. Now, if you are new to my channel, then you probably never heard of this website. But if you're not new, then you probably heard me cover this one before. And I'm not going to go too deep in this. I'm going to actually link the other video that I did a deep dive in this. However, this is basically a audio narration company. So they work with Audible, Amazon, and iTunes. And what you can do is authors will put their book on this website to be narrated so they can convert it to an audiobook. So they usually pay around $50 to $100 per finished hour. And again, in the full version of my review on this website, I talk about what that means. So you can get $50 to $100 per finished hour for reading and narrating a book. They also offer different types of commission or royalty payments if that book becomes successful. But again, you don't want to pick a book and choose the royalty payments if it's not going to be a successful book. Nonetheless, here are the audio submission requirements. I'll link this page for you down below because people's most asked question is, what do I need to get started? But like I said, I'm going to leave the link to this page and also my last video on this website because it's a bit more complicated and I explain it a little bit better in my last video. All right, now on to website number 3. Website number 3 is for those of you looking for a more experienced type of job. So Amex actually has a whole bunch of different opportunities, and they are consistently uploading different job opportunities to work with American Express, remote or even in person. But as you see, they offer it to people outside of the country, such as Spain, the United Kingdom, Mexico, India. And to be clear, I say outside of the country because I reside in the United States. So I am heavily United States biased. So don't be offended if I just say outside of the country. I just mean outside of my country. They have 917 open jobs. You need to upload your resume. And once you upload your resume, they will automatically match you with the best jobs based off of your previous credentials. So there's a bunch of different positions that are open, but you can also use the keyword tab to search for whatever it is that is specific to you and what you're looking for. So for example, I put in customer service. You can put in whatever background you had. Now, also you want to type in remote jobs, and you also want to type in your location, just so that you know that opening position is specifically targeted to someone in your location. So a lot of these jobs are very high paying. This one was saying $20 to $33 per hour. This is a remote or / hybrid position, and they're paying $110,000 to $190,000 for that position. But like I said, they have a bunch of different open positions that you can choose from. So I highly suggest that you go over there, and hopefully you'll be able to find a remote position that works best for you. There's plenty of jobs to apply to. Once you upload your resume, they'll connect you to the right one. So I'll leave that in the description. Website 4 is for those people who have a little extra expertise and knowledge in any particular field. This is one of my favorite websites. I use it actively. It's called Udemy, and it is a educational marketplace for people to upload their courses. And basically, you can upload a course about any topic. Here are some of the top categories. So if you are skilled in any of these categories, then you'll definitely have a better chance of doing well. But when I say that you can learn anything on Udemy, you can learn anything. Here's some examples. This one is Pitch Yourself, learn how to ignite curiosity and inspire action. And this person has 25,000 students, and they're selling their course for around $14. So you do the math on that. Here's another one, teaching people how to become virtual assistants, $14.99. Original price is $34.99, and they have over 7,000 students. This is another topic about spiritual coach certification, and that is coaching others into their alignment, fulfillment, connection, vibes, all that good stuff. And they're selling their course for $14.99 as well. And this one is how to paint from beginner to master, and they're selling their course. Well, it's on sale for $14.99 at this moment. So let's do a little mathy math, right? So even at the base level, if they have they have over 19,000 students times what they're charging, they're looking at almost $300,000 from this one website. Now, at the top level, their students times what they usually charge without the discount, they're looking almost at $2 million worth of sales from this particular website. Now, am I claiming that you're going to make $2 million in sales? Absolutely not. But what I'm saying is nobody needs to know who you are on that platform. So it's not like you have to build an audience. You can literally be anybody that has a little bit more knowledge and can teach and do a quick lecture, post it on Udemy, and start making money without ever having an audience. So they actually give you a free course on Udemy on how to create your course, upload it to their platform, and start making money from it. So if you guys are interested in teaching or creating any presentation slides in order to make money, that's a great way to go. Now we've arrived to website number 5. Anyways, the website number 5 is called Working Solutions. And this is perfect for anybody just looking for customer service, remote jobs. So this is the future in focus. Work from home as an independent contractor. At Working Solutions, we understand the importance of blah, 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 blah. Anyways, they're basically a marketplace that helps connect big companies with customer service representatives, but you as a customer service representative work 100% from home. So this is based off of a $15 an hour pay, although a lot of their opportunities do pay more, and they also refresh the opportunities that they have. I'm not sure how frequent they do, but every time I look at the website, they have a different job posted on there. So you can kind of play with this, and this just tells you how many hours you put in versus how much you could make per week based off of a $15 an hour pay structure. When you click on the tab that says opportunities, this is the page that you're going to see. Now, note that most of these jobs are going to be US and Canada based, so they do not have worldwide opportunities here. With Working Solutions, you do have the ability to schedule your own hours. So if you would prefer to work in the daytime versus the nighttime or vice versa, you can do so. Once you submit an application, you will wait to be approved, and this particular job is paying up to $19 per productive hour, paid by the minute worked. That's what they have in parentheses there. And they said for off seasons, you can look towards $16 to $19 per finished hour. So if you're looking for the work environment requirements, here they are. They need you to have a quiet space and a professional appearance if you will be on camera. I'm going to show you another example of what they offer, and that's this insurance one. Now they're paying $12 per productive hour. High performing contractors can make $14 to $15 per hour. So the opportunities and the pay all depend on what is available at the time. So if you're seeing this video at a later date, the salary might be higher than that $12, but it just all depends on when you view it. For my people that enjoy writing, website number 6 might just be for you. So this is actually a website that connects freelance writers with other companies or blogs or article posting. Now, these could be big companies, medium companies, small companies, but this website is designed to help you find clientele as a freelance writer. So it's a marketplace for the freelancer and also the brand that needs some form of content writing or any form of writing. So how do I find clients? How much should I charge? They tell you all of this, and they even help you with your taxes. They help you with your taxes. They connect you with clientele, and they also will do some training to better your skills as a freelance writer. And I'm making this very specific so that I can explain to you the cost of the website in a second. So here's some examples of what they would have. Remote copywriter for an outdoor brand, freelance writer for a news blog, seeking architect, writer for whatever. And since you are a freelancer, you get to set your own price. So how much you would like to get paid is based off of how much you think that your skills are worth or how big the project is that the company needs from you. So this is a database that helps connect freelancers with brands, as I said before, and they also will give you the training. I say all this to say because yes, this website does charge a monthly or yearly fee. The monthly fee is $15 per month. The yearly fee is $49 per year. And this is all to give you access to clientele, to give you training, and to help you with your taxes as a freelancer. So I'm just explaining why there's a cost. But if you're serious about your freelancing writing business, then this might be a good option for you. Our next and final website is called Trimata. And I think that I'm saying that right. Basically, they are a website built to help different business owners to test out their products or to test out their websites before they release it to their customers. The reason why this helps different business owners is because they get a bunch of feedback in telling them how to improve their business without having to lose out on money from having a bunch of different errors on their website. You get paid to use websites and apps to give your honest feedback, and you earn at least $10 for each test. So they do pay more depending on the project. Now, this is not something that's supposed to be a full-time income for you. Just a quick and easy way to make some cash as a side hustle. So we help make the web easier for everyone to use by letting designers and coders see obstacles that real people run into on their sites and their apps. Then you give your feedback as if